Let's learn about coronavirus with the HoloLens 2. SARS-CoV-2. Coronaviruses are part of a large family of positive stranded RNA enveloped viruses. They are known to infect a range of mammal and avian species, primarily causing respiratory illnesses in humans. There are four major structural proteins required to form a complete SARS-CoV-2 virion: the coronavirus that causes coronavirus disease 2019, the spike S protein, nucleocapsid N protein, membrane M protein, and envelope E protein. Let's begin. Oop, that's too close. There we go. Alright, let's take a look. E proteins are those ones. M protein are the little yellow ones? No, the E proteins are the little yellow ones. What is the M protein? Oh, the M protein is the blue one. What's the S protein? Okay, so the S protein are the big ones, and the lipid bilayer is the blue shell. It's the layer. Bilayer, I guess. Lipid bilayer, yeah. And let's see a cross-section. So, we have that lipid bilayer, M protein, small yellow ones, and then the RNA inside, all those strands. The E protein, blue one, S protein, big one, and the N protein are those like the blue bigger parts inside part of that coil. Okay, cool. Let's learn more. Alright, so this is the S protein. Okay. The S protein is a trimeric membrane-bound glycoprotein. It contains two distinct functional domains known as the S1 and S2 domains. The S1 domain is near the amino terminal, while the S2 domain is near the carboxy terminal. The S1 domain binds to the angiotensin converting enzyme 2, ACE2 receptor on specific human cells, and the S2 domain mediates membrane fusion. Two S proteins bind one ACE2 receptor. Following a proteolytic cleavage event at the S1-S2 boundary, the COVID can enter the human cell. Due to its binding properties, the S protein is a target for vaccine development. Additionally, the S protein is coated with the glycan structures, which may act as a stealth mechanism for the COVID virus, allowing it to evade immune recognition. Okay? Bad S protein. The M protein is the most abundant structural component of the viral envelope. During viral replication, it mediates the assembly of the virion within the host cell through interactions with the other viral proteins. So these were the little yellow ones all over it. And the one we just saw before was the S protein, those big ones right there. But M protein, well, we just learned about the M protein. Wait, that's yellow. The E protein is the blue one. Alright, this is confusing. I think this is a mistake. Oh. The E protein is the yellow one. So right here it says M protein. That's supposed to say E protein. Or M protein. Yeah, and that's supposed to say M protein. These are switched. One of those two are switched. I don't know which one is which. Great. Okay. E protein. Oh, my phone. Okay. The E protein is a small integral membrane protein that plays a role in the COVID virus life cycle and pathogenesis. The E protein may play a role in maintaining membrane curvature or membrane scission. Cool. N protein. The nucleocapsid is composed of N protein with the enclosed RNA genome. The N protein is soluble in cytoplasmic fluid so that the viral genome can be released into the host cell upon entry. Alright, that N protein, that's right here. Yeah, it's that blue one. Let's put that back there. Alright, and so we've now covered all the proteins, seen the cross-section of the whole virus. Let's check the references. Due to the novelty, our knowledge is evolving on a daily basis. It is important to note that our understanding is growing. Okay. Shout out to all these people that led to the creation of this app. Thank you. If we go back to home, we'll see who made the app. It was In Vivo Coronavirus Explorer on HoloLens 2.